Hi, welcome to this video where I will tell you why is your Shopify Payments account suspended. So let's get started. First of all, uh, first thing is to follow the rules by payment provider. So payment provider rules violation is it could be the cause of your Shopify payment the suspension. So, Shopify Payments, like any payment provider, has strict rules and guidelines. If your store violates any of these rules, such as selling prohibited products or engaging in fraudulent activities, your account may be suspended. And then another risk is to high risk business activities. Certain industries or products are considered high risk by payment processors. If your store falls into one of these categories, it may lead to a suspension of your Shopify Payments account. The third one is by excessive chargebacks or disputes. If your store receives an unusually high number of chargebacks or payment disputes, it may raise red flags and result in the suspension of your account. The fourth reason is failure to comply with terms of service. If you fail to comply with Shopify's terms of service or payment provider agreements, your account may be suspended. The fifth one is insufficient documentation. Shopify payments may require specific documentation to verify your business and identity. If you fail to provide the required documentation or if the information provided is inadequate, your account could be suspended. The sixth reason is unusual account activity. Unusual or suspicious account activity may trigger a suspension. For example, a sudden surge in sales or significant changes to your store's products or pricing might be flagged as potentially fraudulent. The seventh and the last reason is legal or compliance issues. Legal or compliance issues such as engaging in illegal activities or violating financial regulations can lead to the suspension of your payment account. So that could be the reasons of why your Shopify payment account is suspended. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.